Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites quickly. Sign into an administrator account and verify date and time because certificate checks fail when clocks are wrong. Once done, disable VPNs and proxies to avoid authentication tunnels. Make sure your internet is stable. Use a wired connection if possible. Then open Settings, go to Apps. Find Microsoft Store and click Advanced Options. We will use that panel to reset services and see storage permissions before moving to deeper repairs. Next, reset the store and clear its cache to remove corrupted data. Run WS Reset. EXE and then use Settings apps to perform an app reset. Once done, restart dependent services like Windows Update and Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant because sign-in depends on them. If problems persist, re-register the store by running PowerShell as administrator and executing the apps package re-register command. This rebuilds the app manifest and permissions. Make sure to reboot after re-registration. To finish, sign out of the store and sign back in with your Microsoft account so cached credentials refresh. Then open the store and attempt to sign in. If it still fails, run the built-in Microsoft Store Troubleshooter and check Event Viewer for specific error codes to guide next steps. As a key troubleshooting tip, create a new local administrator account and try signing into the store from that profile. If it works there, your original user profile likely has corruption and can be repaired or migrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.